made the right decision where it served its purpose. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about aftermarket body kits. Yes, what you see in front of you has a set of aftermarket body kit that has the OEM look, STI OEM look body kit. The reason why I bought these is because, well, it has been a year already. I used to have a WRX STI RAR a few years ago, and I actually bought the genuine STI body kit. And I bought those, I put them on, and then I saw my friend actually bought these. And when I compare his to mine, they look exactly the same. This time when I bought this WRX, I wanted to try his, and I made the right decision where it served its purpose. I only want the look. I really don't care if it's genuine or not, because it just looks exactly the same to me. And especially it will get scraped like this when you're driving it daily. So I really don't want to spend that much money on something that I will really damage. And it's quite unavoidable because going to different parking lot, you get scraped one way or the other, or getting in and out of your car, you kind of step on your side step. A lot of people will worry about fitments. I guess you can tell from this video which fitments are spot on. I don't have any problem with that. Just put them right on, and it looked exactly like the genuine STI body kit. So, and even the rear under spoiler is aftermarket. So, for you all who want to put these on or want to get these, this is a great option. Instead of spending that much money on genuine body kits, I will spend it on somewhere else, like genuine wheels and brakes and all that. It's okay to get aftermarket body kits if you are going for the genuine JDM STI look. Okay, I'll see you all next time then. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.
Leave me a message if you want to know where to get them. And also please like and subscribe. Thank you.